Hello, this is James Smith at Gann Analysis LLC. Today I want to talk about sugar futures and the square of the range by time. What does that mean, square of the range by time? It means that we take the high here, the February 12th, 2020 high at 1590, and the low of April 28th, 2020. That is 53 trading days and a range of 6.69. That's the range from high to low. Now, to create the square by time going forward, the simple thing is we use time, 53 trading days. Every 53 trading days, you get a vertical line. And to create the box to the price distance upward, we take 53 trading days times 0.5. That's the scale we've decided to use, or the price unit. And then that equals 2.65. So from this low to the top of the first box is 2.65, as you can see here. Now, the next box higher will also be another 2.65. And if you go over, it'll be 53 trading days. So up 2.65 points, over 53 trading days, and so on. You just keep going. So why is this useful? Because you're respecting the market. What happens in the market is what's important. And in this case, there is a 53 trading day cycle. So from high to low is 53 trading days, so you should watch that going forward. Guess what? It was a low. And then you go another 53 trading days, and it was sort of a higher low, not quite as good. This one looks better. This one looks fantastic. This looks fantastic. And I think this is kind of a low here. So where I have circles, that's where I think it's hitting. I think you've got a low here. You're setting up for a move higher. So the point is, this is just one tool for Gann. It's not the only tool. It's an important tool, but a lot of people square the range by price, but they don't do it by time. Gann would say to you, do it by both time and price. So in this case, we're using time as our key parameter. So this, again, from high to low was 53 trading days. It says bars here, that's trading days. And we use that to project forward intervals of 53 trading days. So every 53 trading days, we're going to look for some sort of turn. And so the beauty of this is that it's geometric. It's showing you the geometry of time and price. You're looking at an example where Gann is always trying to equate time and price. He's looking for balance. When time and price are in balance, you get a change in trend. And this one right here was so great because it went slightly above a square in price, and then it started to sell off. So you could have said, oh, okay, once it takes out this support, it should go down. And it did. It almost got down to this level. But one thing I'll mention to you, time is always more important than price. Even though price is important, I really respect time. That's the difference between Gann and a lot of other charting philosophies. A lot of them only look at price. They don't even bother to look at time. Gann always said time and price, you have to look at both together in order to figure out what's going on. And when time and price are in balance, you get a change in trend. So again, this is just one tool, not all the tools. I can't show you everything in one go, but today I wanted to show you the square of the range by time. And this shows you how it works. You could do this by hand, but it's better with software. But I just think it's interesting that if you follow whatever you're looking at, in this case we're looking at sugar, but you could apply the same sort of thing to forex, bonds, stocks, commodities, even crypto. So the idea is that we're looking for how a particular market is going to go forward in time and price, and when it's going to be in balance. Now, if this is sort of thing interests you, send me an email, jamessmith@gannanalysis.net. Let's start a conversation. I do have a 3-month trial subscription where You can see all kinds of examples on any market that you like. You become a client, you tell me what you're interested in, I'll cover it. I cover all markets. I respond to client requests. If you say, hey, I want to see Bitcoin, I'm going to cover Bitcoin. If you say, no, here's a funky stock I would like you to cover, I'll cover it. So whatever you're interested in, shoot me an email and ask about the 3-month trial subscription. We'll get you started. I send out reports by email. You get them daily, usually the S&P every day, and then whatever other market that people are interested in. So at least 2 reports a day, sometimes 3 or 4, whatever works out. But I want to give you the idea that Gann is universal. It's not something that applies to just one market. It applies to all markets because time and price relate to each other across the spectrum of all markets. At the end of the day, it's just one market. It's one financial market, and it's just expressed differently in different markets. I really like sugar. I think this is a market you should pay attention to. I have some great charts to show you on this. If this is a market you're interested in, you definitely want to subscribe to the service because I got some great stuff to show you. So good luck in your trading. I hope this has been helpful. Look forward to hearing from you.